What's up? Welcome back to another episode of the Hazard Show. I'm Sam.
I'm Jim.
It's kind of tired right now. We're a little late filming, so we need to get a couple of videos in for tomorrow. Of course, I'll be leaving, but it'll be a few days when I upload, or how I upload. You get what I'm saying? So earlier, when I got here, my computer messed up, and I bought the cable, took it up to my TV. So I bought it up here so I can transfer my files from Jim's camera over to my laptop, because his camera gets better lighting inside the house than mine does, or his new camera. So we went and got his computer monitor. It's over here, hooked up to my laptop, and we found a cable. It's a big long VGA cable, but it had the cord attached to it that Jim happened to have, and I didn't necessarily need that cord, so I took it off, and we'll just kind of let Jim explain a little bit.
So, when he took it off, I was sitting there, he was just getting it put on, and I was flipping it, just like that regularly, and I did it like that, like one time, I was like, holy camoles, that's cool, that's pretty cool. Of course, you got to think I get amused by really amusing things. So now I have a new hobby. It's called VGA, and what it is you do tricks with the VGA cord. And I'm going to give you a little example here.
Three-way cord.
I'm going to give you a three-way cord.
It's got to be a three-way cord.
It's got to be a three-way cord before you can do this. What you do, I'm going to teach you first trick. This is just regular rollover. Now, I don't know about your colors. You might have some different colors, but on mine it has this is the base. I call it the base. I know there's probably a different name for it. A white and a blue. I don't know if it's different colors. These are different sizes. Size don't really matter in tricks, but that's the weight that makes it, go around and spin and whatnot. So I'm going to show you this right here. You hold the white one like this. Well, first, you pick it up and you're like, hey, look at my cord. You let that blue one drop. I ain't talking about just like throw it down. No, just let it drop. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to toss it up in an upward motion. You're going to come back. See how that blue cord's trying to touch my finger again, but you're like, no, don't touch my finger again. You're going to let go and you're going to grab that blue cord. Alright, one more time. Drop. Grab blue cord. Drop. Grab blue cord. Now from here, you're just going to rotate it over your finger, and you're going to have the blue cord again, so it's going to look like this. Drop, blue cord, over the thumb. No, guys, you're going to have the white cord and messed up a little bit. Alright, let's try that again. Something ain't right. I thought you would have the blue cord. Okay, now I'm going to actually do the trick. I'll show you. Remember, drop, blue cord, rope. Messing up, y'all. Drop, blue cord, rotate. There you go. Alright. Anyway, you'll get that. Okay, this one right here is called the double rollover. And that's this. That's a fancy looking trick. I'll tell you what. What you do is you take your thumbs and do a piece, like you'll see them over there. His little same piece, and you just stick it up in there. I prefer this to be out if you're right-handed. This one to be out. What you're going to do is you're going to have it between your fingers like this, and you're going to like flick your wrist. But when you flick it, you're going to kind of turn it like this, and then you're going to turn it like up on your thumb, and then flick it again. So one more time. Pointer finger, flick, curve it, turn, and it just looks like that. This is a flashy trick. Well, see that's another trick for another day. Like that. Alright, now another simple trick is you go to spin it, and like if you go to spin it, you can't sit there and constantly sit there and spin it, because watch. Like if you sit there and constantly spin it, it'll fall off. Alright? I'll teach y'all a little trick for that one. Is you spin it like at least once, you go one, and then you grab that cord, and then you rotate it back around the thumb, like that. And you just keep doing all this legit, the first trick I just showed you doing, but you're keeping it going, and it just looks all fancy. Alright, well, that's pretty much all the tricks that I like really know to teach you, but like when I get to doing it, there's a bunch of random stuff I just flick, turn, twist, and I guess I'll show you guys a little bit of BGA chord freestyle.